Hi, I'm Courtney Whitmore from Pizzazzerie.com. I'm super excited to make this pineapple ginger mojito. It's a recipe my husband and I have loved for years, and I'm so excited to finally share it with y'all. It's super easy. It uses a ginger liqueur, and ginger is one of my favorite spices, not only in baking, but also in cocktails, along with a white rum, pineapple juice, and club soda. So of course it has mint, being a mojito, but it also has the addition of pineapple, which I think is really fun, especially during the warmer months. To begin, you're gonna muddle fresh mint and a pineapple wedge down in your drink. And if you don't have a muddler, you can use the back of a wooden spoon. It'll work just as well. After you've muddled, add in fresh ice. I love to use crushed ice. Next, you're gonna add in your 2 ounces of ginger liqueur and then 2 ounces of pineapple juice. If you are making a bit of a bigger drink, you can add a little more pineapple juice. And then next, you're gonna add about 1/2 ounce of white rum. Again, you can tailor this to your favorite types of flavors, but I add about 1/2 ounce of white rum. Then I just love to top it with club soda, stir to combine, and then the garnish, which is my favorite part. I love to garnish it with a fresh pineapple wedge or a pineapple ring, which is really fun, and then add a little bit of fresh mint down inside. Especially when I'm serving drinks at parties, I really love it to be a really pretty drink. And so I think the pineapple and the fresh mint down in the crushed ice just creates such a pretty drink that people will just not only love to look at, but also love to enjoy. For this pineapple ginger mojito recipe, head to the blog at Pizzazzerie.com.